Welcome everybody! Welcome back to Beb Adventures. Today I am unboxing another Gemini jet. Today I have the Airplane Shop exclusive American Airlines A321 in the stand-up to cancer livery. As you're able to see in there, looks like the plane's doing good on the top. That's really all you could see right now. The box is an obvious Gemini jet blue box. It has the Stand Up to Cancer logo and the American Airlines logo. All right. There she is. Let's see. Let's see how to open this. Haven't really opened this before. There we go. There's the obvious plastic crate with the plastic piece on top. Be very careful when you're unboxing it. Everything down there is good. So starting off to detail this plane. First, we got this nose and the cockpit windows, the front door, and the first antenna. We got the nice little landing gear there. Got the second door. We got the small windows there. We got the 1 million arrows. There probably not is that many, but there's quite a few. We got the little white bubble. I don't know what that's for. We got the second antenna and the third antenna. We got the tail. Now looking at the wing, we got the nice winglet, the engines, and the regular wing with the flap. We got the nice tail, which I might have already said. We have the tail wings, the back door, and we got the back landing gear kind of unseeable under the wings. Moving kind of to the belly of the plane, it's just the obvious gray color with the really small Gemini Jets logo and the nice landing gear. But that's about it for the detail of the plane. Now, I'm going to say some of the facts about the plane. It has two AIE V25 33A-A5 engines. Its cruising speed is 518 miles per hour. Its range is 3,685 miles. And it has 185 seats mixed class. This plane, I think, was introduced in 2016. I would like to give a special thank you to the Airplane Shop because today I was there and I was looking for planes, and this one I was hoping to get. They didn't have it on the shelf, but when we went to the front desk and asked, the nice man said that he would go into the back and get this plane for me. And this is amazing. Thank you so much. This plane, I believe, was introduced in 2016. This plane is a beautiful plane. I hope it served me well. Seems very tight, unlike many other Gemini jets. Like, it is, just gave it a small, light wiggle test. That was nice. It is a great aircraft. I think it'll do well. And now, if you were wondering about these two planes in the background, kind of to the sides, you have to watch 2 of my previous videos to see more about them, if you haven't watched them already. I hope you enjoyed watching Beb Adventures. Please like and subscribe when you're done watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!